Back it up slowly, watch your left side.
Bay 3 is clear. Start the conveyor.
Keep it straight, nice and easy now. Okay, start tilting it up.
Everything clear on your side, Sarah? Yes, John, the batch looks excellent.
Automated sequence engaged. Pre-wash cycle commencing in holding tank 4. Ensure continuous flow.
The powerful flumes guarantee a pristine product every time. All units, maintain pressure setting 4. Ensure continuous flow to line B.
Only the freshest, ripest tomatoes are selected for our signature sauce, crushed gently for the perfect texture.
The sauce is inspected at every stage, ensuring the perfect consistency and vibrant color.
Only the freshest tomatoes, mixed to perfection in our state-of-the-art facility. As the fine sugar crystals are introduced, our signature blend begins the gentle churning process. We carefully select the finest herbs and spices, ensuring every batch reaches perfection.
Attention all staff. Line 3 requires a quality control check immediately. Ensure all vessels are pressurized. The rotors spin rapidly, transforming the chunky texture into a velvety smooth puree, ensuring perfect consistency every time. Core temperature stable at 92 degrees Celsius. Adjusting heat regulators. Our stainless steel mesh filters remove even the finest particles, guaranteeing a consistent product. Our perfectly filtered tomato sauce is now entering the sterile holding tanks, ensuring peak freshness and quality.
Precision engineering ensures that the vibrant sauce is completely free of air, enhancing flavor and shelf life.
The secret to our silky smooth texture is the cold vacuum process, preserving the vibrant taste of fresh tomatoes. Carefully controlled temperatures are essential here, ensuring perfect sterilization while preserving the vibrant taste.
Make sure to note the exact temperature at the valve, Sarah.
Will do. The flow rate seems stable.
The color reading is perfect, exactly within the target range. Recording the results for sample A-3, viscosity measured at 2.2 Pascal seconds. The texture appears smooth with minimal syneresis.
The counts on the PCA look good. Yeah.
Yes, well within the acceptable limits for this batch.
Quality inspection passed. The approved tomato sauce is returning to the production line. The bottles are now entering the sterile air rinse cycle, ensuring particle removal before filling. Precision engineering guarantees perfect alignment and consistent quality in every batch.
Utilizing advanced optical technology, our systems inspect every container instantly, guaranteeing the highest quality seal. Precision-crafted labels for our finest tomato sauce, ensuring a flawless presentation every time.
Harnessing the power of light, we ensure perfect traceability for our signature blend.
All systems optimal. Processing batch 500. Ensure continuous flow at the merge point.
The current run rate is steady at 95% efficiency, awaiting clearance for the next pallet.
Our state-of-the-art machinery wraps the bottles tightly, preparing them for shipment.
Make sure the temperature holds steady at 250 degrees for the next batch.
With a flawless finish, these tomato sauce multi-packs are sealed tight and moving quickly through our state-of-the-art facility.
Our automated systems are designed for seamless integration and unparalleled speed. Ensure the next pallet is ready for shipment by 1400 hours. Sealing in the freshness every time. The print quality on this batch looks excellent, very vibrant.
Keep an eye on the seal integrity for the next batch.
Roger that. Looks good so far.
Approved.
Aisle 7 is now open. Drivers, please remember to confirm all pallet locks. Attention all floor staff. Aisle 7 needs immediate clearance. Repeat, Aisle 7. Attention all AGV units. Sector 4 retrieval sequence activated.
Pallet 34B, tomato sauce, quantity confirmed, ready for shipment.
Bay 4 is clear for the sauce pallets.
Okay, I'm bringing the first one down now.
Confirmed. I'll scan them as they arrive.
Okay, bring that pallet right here by Bay 3. We need this ready for the afternoon run.
Everything looks good to go. Send it out. All right, lifting now.
With pinpoint accuracy, the team ensures every jar of tomato sauce reaches its destination on time.
Yeah, we're secured and rolling cross country.
Should hit the depot by morning.
Hey, seal it up. This shipment is good to go.
All right, drivers, gates are open. Head south on the highway.
The journey of the freshest tomatoes begins here, reaching distribution centers nationwide every day.
The final step in a journey of perfection. We are proud to deliver the highest quality tomato sauce to homes everywhere.